In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Telegram by phone number using Telegram Web. This is a quick and easy method if you already have someone's number and want to connect with them instantly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Log in with your phone number if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Telegram Web, look at the top of the screen and click on the search bar. In the search field, type the phone number of the person you want to add, including the correct country code. Telegram will automatically search for accounts linked to that number. When the profile appears in the results, click on their profile to open the chat. From here, you can start a conversation right away and the contact will be added to your Telegram chats. That's all it takes to add friends on Telegram using a phone number. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.